What's happening, Kim folk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Today, man, we got another install video for the 2019 Road Glide Special. And what we have here is some floorboard extensions. And these here, posted them on Amazon, right? Mm-hmm. So, but they came from knucklestv.com.
Yep.
Got it?
Yep.
Alright. Customcycleparts.com. So, custom with a K. So that's where I got these. And what they're going to do is basically, I ordered them because I don't have highway pegs yet. And these here are turn floorboard spacers. So what they're supposed to do is take the floorboards, the brackets, and actually move them out. I believe these are 3/4 of an inch. Show you what's in the bag. Oh, you get directions, full color directions, really nice. And then you get your spacers here. It feels like they're all aluminum. Uh-oh. Already see something wrong. That sucks. So I feel like they're aluminum, but they have paint missing off of them already. And I don't know if that's where the plug was at. Well, no, because it's painted inside there too, because it's the exact same way on this one. So maybe it was where it was hanging and they just didn't paint it there. It's probably what it was. Not sure. But either way, I'm probably just going to take a little black magic marker, because you're not going to be able to see it anyway, because the bracket's going to be mounted up to it and this will be mounted to the frame, so I don't think it'll be a big deal. But if you're real particular about that, I'm not sure how the customer service is with the company. It's the first time using them, first time ordering anything from them. And like I said, I found them on Amazon. So yeah, it's got to be what it is, because it's even on these here as well. So it's got to be the way they mounted them to paint them, because I don't think they're powder coated. See that? So either way, we're going to mount them anyhow. So let me show you what it looks like without the extensions. And excuse the bike, Kim folk, she's a little dirty. That's because we just got back from a trip to the hill country for 5 days. And bugs were everywhere. And I haven't had a chance to clean it just yet. But it was an amazing trip, so y'all be ready for those videos. They'll start coming out hopefully next week. So, but as of right now, this is where your floorboard is for a standard bagger, right? And this is how much room you have. So you basically have no room. So to extend your foot or move your foot out a little bit, as soon as you start turning your foot a little bit, you're already off the floorboard. So I'm hoping these extensions will help it to where I can move my foot out just a little bit even. You know what I mean? And we'll see how that works out. So that's what it looks like before. Maybe get a shot right here in the front, baby. See how close we are from the frame there or whatever. Mm-hmm. Okay. And this side, brake side. Especially the brake side, I was wanting to move it out a little bit because you're right underneath the brake pad already. So if I could just move it to where I can have a little more floorboard out here, hopefully it'll be better. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. I got the 3/4 inch. I think they have like 3 different sizes. I think there was an inch and then 1.5 inches as well. So 3/4 inch, 1.5 inches. I think. Don't quote me on that. But first we're gonna put her on the jack. So I can jack it up and I'm not having to lay it on the ground with this badass, ornery one shirt. Make sure y'all go check them out. My boy Skidpig, make sure you go check them out. But first we're gonna crack up a cold one. But don't worry, kinfolk. It's not a beer.
Yes, it is. And it's like 7 o'clock in the morning.
It's 8:01 a.m.s. And but this is, see, I don't feel bad, because most of the time when I'm drinking at 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, it's when we're camping or I'm fishing. I'm here at home, but this is a PBR hard coffee. So it's just like drinking coffee in the morning. Iced coffee, right?
Yeah. So, if you say so.
But let me go ahead and crack her. And if you love iced coffee, man, and you haven't had PBR hard coffee, it's 5% ABV, y'all. That's some good shit. But look at it. Looks just like a coffee drink, right? See that? Oh, God. Let's get started. Alright, kinfolk. So, this is a 3/4 spacer. As you can see there. You see it? 3/4. Alright, so you got the shorter spacer goes on the left side. Nope, on the right side. And then the longer one goes on the left side. Put that over there with this spacer. This one with this spacer. And then you get this hardware here. It's not painted black, but they're darker. And we're going to put Loctite on them just in case. It'd probably be safer if you actually took your bike and strapped it down on the lift, on the jack, but you know, I'm drinking at 8 in the morning. Who cares about safety, eh?
The fuck?
Alright. Let's go. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take these 2 bolts off, which just holds the bracket of your floorboard on. Alright, so you just got this bolt here, which is the front of the bracket, and then this one here, which is the rear. That's the only 2 bolts you got to take off. And Mello, I'm putting the flashlight because Mello said you couldn't see it. It's too dark. So we're going to take those 2 off and then replace them with this. There's no nut on the back end. I already looked, so we're just going to, like I said, this is a 19. I don't know if there is on older baggers, but this is a 19. So we'll take these 2 off and then replace them with the other one. And I'll show you all that once I get it off. Alright, I had to get the breaker bar out to get on it, so they're on there good. I'll take these off. Alright, so here we go. The stock bolt. Stock bolt. Now on this back end, you can see the bolt goes here, and then there's a little hole on the back end, so that's where this longer one goes. So this little titty right here will go inside that hole, and then your bolt will go through there. You see that, babe? And then you'll just have the round spacer right here. You see that, babe?
Yep.
Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so the front side, we're going to go ahead and put this back side.
I broke that wheel.
We're going to put this shorter bolt right here. And then it's got the indentation for this little prong to stick into. Go here and here. Let's see if I can get it started. The long one in the spacer on the front side. We're going to take her in. I might have should have cleaned that out. It had a bunch of Loctite in there. Well, that just stopped. Alright, so what I had to do is, on this one, I think the threads were messed up from the factory. So when I took it back off, I went ahead and put it in without the bracket on there. And the threads on the bolt were a little jacked up. So if you've got something to clean those threads out, man, definitely do that first before you go back in with the other hardware. Because, yeah, I should have done that, but I don't have anything. A little bit of coffee. But we got her on there. Let me give it a little quietus torque. Yeah. Pardon me. Pardon me. So there's that. It also has, you know, the lock washer on there, but I went ahead and put Loctite as well. Son of a bitch.
Is that coffee? Is that coffee?
And then we're gonna put our bell back on.
Oh shit.
Shazam! She's on. She's on good and tight. Alright, let's go to the other side. Alright, so on this one, it's gonna be this bolt here. And just follow your bracket, and it's this bolt here. Look at that wrist motion, though. Look at that. Oh shit! Alright.
It was the flick of the wrist.
It's the flick of the wrist. Let's take it in with the impact. Put the quietus on it. And there she is, boys and girls. So now, let's see what that did exactly. Oh, let me gotta put my bell back on. Gotta put my bell back on. I actually did a video just the other day on a Grumman bell run. So if you haven't seen that video, click above, right there. No, yeah, probably be right here, and check it out. Now let's let her down and see exactly how much it moved at. Well, I'll tell you how much it exactly moved at, 3/4 of an inch, because that's what I bought. Oh shit, kinfolk. That feels good. Look at the difference here. So takes you out. I mean, I can actually come out here now and still have a little bit of floorboard, which my floorboards are slimmer. I got the Pro Glide special, so the floorboards are a little thinner than the stock floorboard. But man, that feels good. Let's look at the brake side. Now before, I feel like I was in here, right? Mm-hmm. I mean, it comes out a little bit on this side. I think you can tell more of a difference over here on the shifter side, but I mean, it still feels good. That's dope. So there you go. Floorboard extension. I'm 5'11", so this is what it looks like with somebody at 5'11". Inseam is 34s. So 34 inseam, and yeah, man, I like it. I think I could have went an inch. It might have been a little better. So there you go, kinfolk. If you're looking to do that, man, check out the customcycleparts.com and custom with a K. And that there is the install of your floorboard extensions. Is that what it's called?
Dun dun dun. The hell? Never do that again.
Never?
Never, ever.
Shit. I thought I was trying to be part of the cool kids.
No, no.
Even like this?
Nope, no, don't, never.
I don't like it when I dance.
Well, don't dance like that. What's wrong with you?
The honorary one thinks it's cool.
I doubt it.
Till next time, kinfolk, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll jump back on. Like I said, make sure you stay tuned for all those videos from the hill country. Beautiful, 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 beautiful,
What?
beautiful.
That you want.
It's that coffee. It's that dang coffee. I'm telling you.
Beautiful place to ride. So stay tuned. Make sure you check it out. And I appreciate all the support. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out.